another unboxing video, and I've got this parcel from Emily Temple Cute. Emily Temple Cute has a very good worldwide shopping option. You just put what you want into your cart and it gets sent to this worldwide shopping warehouse and they send it to you. So it's just like another Tenso, but it's directly on their site. So I had a very good experience. The parcel went through customs because they had the right amount printed on the bill, which was not so good for me because I had to pay. But I don't know what happened. The box is in not a very good condition. It has holes here and here. But I hope the dress is okay. So there's a thank you note with a special coupon. I love coupons. But those are no stores I would buy from. Maybe except for WeGo. Ta-da! Oh my god! I see a kitty cat. So it's the correct color. I ordered it in pink and lighter pink. Look at those cats! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at those cute kitty cats. Okay, whatever I paid for the taxes, for the costumes, whatever I paid for it, it was worth it. I mean, look at this dress, look at those cats. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute. Not sure you can see it. No, it's really, really cute. I love it. And the dress is, I'm not sure, maybe cotton? Soft cotton blend. If I could read Japanese, that would be better. And there is also a lining, and it's polyester, pure polyester. I can feel that. Ah yes, there's a shearing, and I'm not sure if I can. Yes. If I want to, I could also change the button and make the straps longer or shorter. Just looking for here. No, I can't put it into the washing machine, but I could iron it. Okay. So, I really, really like the dress and I'm going to try it on now.